Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about Parole in Place 2024, Walz's immigration record. In a significant legal development, several Republican-led states have initiated a lawsuit challenging the federal policy known as Parole in Place policy, which allows certain undocumented individuals to remain in the U.S. under specific conditions. Has become a point of contention as states argue it oversteps federal authority and impacts state sovereignty as this legal battle unfolds. It could reshape immigration policy and affect the lives of many individuals seeking stability in the U.S. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. The Biden administration's Parole in Place policy and legal challenges. The Biden administration's Parole in Place policy, designed to address specific immigration concerns, has garnered significant attention and controversy, set to start accepting applications on August 19. This policy aims to provide a path to legal status for certain undocumented individuals, primary spouses of U.S. citizens. However, the implementation details, including eligibility criteria and associated fees, are still pending official clarification from the federal government. This uncertainty, coupled with the political climate, has led to widespread speculation and debate. The Parole in Place policy. Parole in Place is a discretionary immigration relief measure that allows certain undocumented individuals to remain in the U.S. without fear of deportation. This policy is particularly focused on spouses of U.S. citizens, offering them a chance to adjust their immigration status while remaining in the country. Although the policy's introduction was anticipated with optimism, its rollout has faced delays, and the specifics of how it will function are yet to be fully detailed. Currently, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services has yet to release the Federal Register notice that would outline the finer points of PIP, such as the list of disqualifying crimes, application fees, and procedural details. This delay has left many applicants and immigration lawyers in a state of limbo. Awaiting clear guidance, some speculate that the delay may be influenced by political considerations, particularly in light of the upcoming presidential election and the need for the Biden administration to navigate sensitive political issues, political implications, and speculations. The timing and implementation of PIP are crucial, especially given the political landscape with the program set to launch on August 19. There are concerns about whether the Biden administration will proceed as planned, or if political pressure might lead to further delays. Speculation exists that the administration might be reconsidering or postponing the implementation to avoid potential backlash during an election year. In particular, political figures such as Vice President Kamala Harris may be under pressure to adopt a tougher stance on immigration to counter criticism from opponents. This could potentially influence the decision-making process regarding PIP and its broader implications for immigration policy. Legal challenges and state lawsuits. Adding to the complexity of the situation, 15 states have filed a lawsuit challenging the Biden administration's efforts to provide health insurance to Dreamers through the Affordable Care Act. These states argue that the new rule, which would allow approximately 100,000 Dreamers to access health insurance and tax benefits, violates the 1996 welfare reform law and could encourage illegal immigration. The lawsuit, filed by states including Kansas, North Dakota, Alabama, and Texas, seeks to block the rule from taking effect on November 1. These states argue that the rule imposes undue financial burdens on state systems and public services. The litigation's outcome could significantly impact the administration's ability to implement policies that affect undocumented immigrants and their access to public services. Texas Governor's Executive Order. In a related development, Texas Governor Greg Abbott has issued an executive order mandating hospitals to collect data on patients' immigration status. This order, set to take effect on November 1, requires hospitals to track the costs associated with providing medical care to undocumented immigrants. Abbott's move is seen as a response to the financial burden that undocumented immigrants place on the state's healthcare system. The data collected may be used to advocate for increased federal funding to cover these costs. This action by Texas highlights the ongoing tensions between state and federal policies regarding immigration, and public services critics argue that such measures could deter undocumented individuals from seeking necessary medical care, further exacerbating health disparities. Political dynamics and future outlook. The political landscape surrounding immigration policy remains highly dynamic with the 2024 presidential election approaching. The positions of key figures like Kamala Harris and her running mate, Tim Walz, are under scrutiny. Walz, the governor of Minnesota, has been noted for his progressive stance on immigration, including policies that extend healthcare and driver's licenses to undocumented immigrants. This progressive record contrasts with the more conservative positions taken by some Jupe-led states, creating a sharp divide in the national debate over immigration as the political discourse evolves. The Biden administration's approach to immigration policies, including PIP, will be closely watched. Parole in place policy. Conclusion. The parole in place policy, while promising, is currently shrouded in uncertainty due to delays in official announcements and potential political maneuvering. The legal challenges and political debates surrounding immigration policies reflect broader tensions and differing perspectives on how to address undocumented immigration and its impacts on public services. As we await further developments, it is crucial to stay informed about the evolving legal and political landscape, as it will undoubtedly influence the future of immigration policy in the U.S. For those affected by or interested in the parole in place policy, continued vigilance is necessary. Keeping abreast of official updates from USCIS and legal proceedings will provide clarity on the implementation and potential changes to the policy. Additionally, engaging in the broader political discourse can offer insights into how immigration policies may shift in response to political and legal pressures. As always, staying informed and consulting with immigration experts can help navigate the complexities of these evolving policies and their implications for individuals and families. As the lawsuit against the parole in place policy progresses through the courts, its outcomes could have far-reaching implications for both federal immigration policies and state authority. Stakeholders and observers will be closely monitoring the case to understand how the judicial system will address the balance between federal initiatives and state concerns. The final ruling will likely influence future immigration regulation and impact countless lives across the nation. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about Parole in Place 2024 and Walz immigration record. The Biden administration Parole in Place policy, designed to allow certain undocumented individuals, particularly spouses of US citizens, to remain in the country without fear of deportation, is scheduled to start accepting applications on August 19. However, details about the policy, including eligibility criteria and fees, are still pending. The delay in releasing the Federal Register notice has led to speculation that political factors may influence the timing, particularly in light of upcoming elections and potential pressure on Vice President Kamala Harris to adopt a tougher stance on immigration. Adding to the complexity, 15 states have filed a lawsuit challenging the Biden administration's rule to provide health insurance to Dreamers under the Affordable Care Act. These states include Kansas, North Dakota, and Texas, argue that The rule violates existing laws and could encourage illegal immigration by imposing financial burdens on state systems. They seek to block the rule from taking effect on November 1, which could impact approximately 100,000 Dreamers. In Texas, Governor Greg Abbott has issued an executive order requiring hospitals to collect data on patients' immigration status starting November 1. This move aims to assess the costs associated with providing medical care to undocumented immigrants and may be used to advocate for increased federal funding. Critics argue that this could discourage undocumented individuals from seeking necessary medical care. The political landscape surrounding immigration is highly charged, with differing stances from various political figures and states. The progressive record of Minnesota Governor Tim Walz contrasts sharply with the more conservative positions of some GOP-led states, reflecting the broader national debate over immigration policy. As these developments unfold, staying informed and consulting with immigration experts will be crucial for understanding the impacts of these policies and legal challenges.